is holding a new clinical trial that might help, but they need some volunteers. ABC4's Jared Jatnini is live at the University of Utah with more on how you can get involved. Good morning, Jared.
Sarah, good morning. The University of Utah Hospitals with Johns Hopkins University are partnering up for this two-part trial series, and because of the increase in COVID-19 cases in Salt Lake City, the hospital, they're asking for folks who live here who have dealt with COVID to volunteer. Now, those who are approved would be donating plasma. Now, one study looks at whether giving people antibodies from plasma earlier in the illness is effective at treating early stage coronavirus. The other study looks at preventing those exposed to the virus from catching the disease. Now, researchers say by taking antibodies from people who have recovered from COVID-19 can help people who have either been recently exposed or who have been recently diagnosed and have symptoms avoid getting sick. And take a listen to what the two doctors behind the studies have to say.
My study is looking at people within a week of onset of symptoms or the positive test. The whole intention is to avoid hospitalization and death.
The study that I am leading, it's a post-exposure prophylaxis study, and that means that somebody might have had an exposure to the virus and they can then go on to develop the infection.
There's a lot of information. Take a look at your screen. Those who want to enroll and get involved, you can call that number there or email for more information. You could be compensated. Now, those who qualify were tested for COVID-19 no more than 5 days ago and were positively diagnosed. Those who still have symptoms but haven't been hospitalized. Also, those who are in close contact with someone who has COVID-19 no more than 3 days ago and who doesn't have any symptoms. Now, folks, researchers say that if this antibody testing works and the plasma works, that this could be a more cost-effective